YouTube, how's it going? I wanted to make this video quick and short, and I'm going to do it in one take only. On how to put a audio visualizer in Streamlabs OBS. It's a lot easier to do it in regular OBS, but if you're already made everything for your stream in Streamlabs OBS, then there's no going back really, unless you want to spend the 3 hours to convert everything over to regular OBS. Anyways, so I found out a quick and easy way and cheesy way kind of on how to put an audio visualizer in Streamlabs OBS. There's other ways to do it, and you have to like download a program, make your own audio visualizer, and then put all the songs in that program. It's retarded, and it's nonsense, you know? We want to do things quick, short, and easy the way everything should be in 2021. Like, we're not in the fucking Stone Age. What is it, Flintstones? So anyways, just give me a second. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Now it's going to be trippy, just bear with me. So what we're going to do is, actually I'm going to bring this over here. Okay, so you want to download an extension for Chrome. This only works in Chrome, and it's called Butter Churn. Oops. Butterchurn. Type that in Google, first link, and then it'll bring you here, and then you want to click the little puzzle piece here, and then click on that, and then you'll download the extension. And then before we get into the extension itself, click on the cogwheel, and then this little drop down menu will show you different visualizer animations you can click on and set, blah blah blah. And then also you can adjust the timing and whatever here, or there, sorry. But I mean, I don't really mess around with that. Anyways, so then what you want to do is you want to click on the browser tab that you want to play music out of. So like YouTube, for example, you want to click on the little puzzle piece to the right of the browser search bar. And then, actually, let me close what I already have open. So yeah, you want to click on the puzzle piece, and then it'll bring up this. And it has to be, you have to open it on the browser tab you're playing music out of only. If you're on, let's say, this, and you click it here, and then you go back to your audio YouTube or your audio page, it won't link up. So you have to open it on the audio tab for it to sync up the music from that tab. You can't do it on another tab. So yeah, what's it called? You're going to click on the puzzle piece, and then it'll bring up this, and then it'll say audio is not currently playing, blah, blah, blah. That's because I don't have music playing. So when I start playing the music, you're going to see it sync up here. And then for some reason, also, even if you have one preset, it'll find another animation to play when it doesn't sense audio. So now I'm going to play it again. And then, yeah, it changed. So I don't know if there's a setting to keep it from doing it randomly like that. I literally just found it out, and I need to get this done and quick so I can get started on my stream I have scheduled today. I'm actually already late as it is, but I'm a Leo. We're always late for everything. So anyways, you want to keep that that plugin open. And you want to bring over your Streamlabs right here. Mind the trippiness. That's the way it is. It's the only way I can show you. And then, hold on a second. Okay, I need to get rid of that. So what you want to do is you want to click on the plus symbol here. And then you want to go to window capture. You want add source. And then we're going to just call it audio viz. Just keep it short and sweet like we like it. And then little drop down menu here, window, and then you want to click on chrome.exe butterchurn visual x. Click on that, and then I don't know if any of this will correlate into how it plays, but I just clicked that off. Or actually I don't really know what client area does. I'm kind of new to Streamlabs OBS. It's a very advanced program, but anyways, we're gonna click done, and then it'll be right here. So then what you're gonna do, or what I'm gonna do, is I click on transform, or right click it, transform, and then flip vertical, and then it will flip down. Now it's an audio visualizer animation. So all I'm gonna do is I'm going to drag it down here and clip the top part out. Just cut it. Oh shit, did not mean to do that. And you're just gonna hide that little white tab. So now I'm going to play my song, and then it should sync up. And that's it. So what you can also do is you can adjust the the size of it, just like that or whatever. I'm just going to keep it tucked away in the little corner because I don't really want it to interfere with too much of what I'm actually doing. And in terms of adjusting the opacity of it, like in terms of making it blend in more with your stream by what's it called, I don't really know the words to describe what I'm saying, but to make it more transparent. Yeah, transparent's the proper word. With your stream, I don't really know if you can do that. Like I said, this is the quick and easy, cheesy way of getting it, of how to do it. There's other ways to do it. You can do plugins on regular OBS. Plugins don't work on Streamlabs OBS. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. But yeah, anyways, that's the short and sweet way of how to get it done. Give me a follow on my Twitch. And Twitch at DukeExotic./TTV. And then also follow me on my TikTok at DukeExotic as well. Hope you liked the video. Like and share as well. I appreciate it. Thanks. Peace.
Need more than a meal, better yet. Fuck a first class nigga, need a jet. I own it there, rather get it on my chest. Blowing don't walk a penny in the chest. I'm a straight, I can never be a pet. Fuck a Lambo, rather get a vet. Fuck a Billy truck, rather get an Audi. She like that, you ain't thinking about me. Ain't gon'